Guys, so look at Rosie. Hello, Rosie. Rosie. Hello. Wiggling still.
Rosie, look at that. Look.
Oh.
Oh,
Hello.
look at that.
She's very friendly.
Tama bago diha gon.
So hello guys, ito na tayo sa farm. So mag-boats tayo. Let's go. Let's gonna feed yung baby sheep, no? Baby lamb?
Yeah.
Rosie, come here. Come here. So ready. Ready. Look at them, so cute. Hello. They will drink here.
Yeah. Bubba. Bubby. Come on. Here, I'll
They
show
will
you.
drink.
Come on.
Here.
Here,
Hello.
Bubby. Here. Bubba.
Here.
Here. Come on.
Oh.
And just put it in the water a little bit.
Oh, that's the way it drinks.
Yeah. Yeah, you have a go.
Have a go again.
Trying to drink. Come on, you drink.
He thinks you're not my.
You don't know what are you doing? Oh.
Here.
Oh, he's drinking. So cute. It's so funny. It's so cute.
Come on.
You gonna drink water.
You got it? That's it.
And he's feeding the sheep. Yeah, I think she had enough.
When it goes down a bit deep,
Yeah.
it gets up the nose.
It's too much. Oh, how many are
In the
there?
Philippines, Harry, we have goat. Not. That's why we.
There's the two little ones.
First time I
Oh, the
thought-
little two baby.
I thought it's a goat. I
Look
said,
at them. Oh, it looks like the same now, like a goat. Wow. But the sounds is like a goat, Anna. What? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hello. Hello. They're just looking. Ay. So look at that, guys. Wow, it's very, very nice. And we love animals. Where are they going now? Hello. Look at there.
Smell it.
Oh, she's funny. So where are they going now?
they we have
Okay.
So we do their tails.
Oh, look at Rosie. It's inside there.
yeah, surprise din by Nari. Rocky helping put the sheep inside.
Oh, wow. So they're going there now?
Yeah.
Oh, look at the baby. Oh, just jump inside. That's done.
Last time, Australianang got that.
Oh, they're having baby this month?
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
So how many usually? Only one?
Sorry.
Well, how many babies they
Oh,
have?
they can have two.
Two at least. So
But
Abha.
normally only one.
Normally one. So it's a twins if it's
And
two.
this one's got, I don't think she's pregnant. She's got a hip is gone. She's old.
Oh. So which one last time has a sore foot, you know? Him? Mm.
Roxy.
Roxy, yes, you're your friend.
This one's pregnant too.
Hello.
Just move slowly. Family. She's not the tamest cow. Top of shoulders. Big nails.
Mm.
Oh,
Well, your nails are a bit sharper than mine, mate.
that's why.
That's why she run.
Oh, it's like that.
Hello.
Hello.
Get a bit of hay for mum.
Oh. Oh, it's very big, Anna.
Shit.
This one here, we can use a house in the Philippines. This one, like my house is better than this one. Guys, mas nindot pa sa buong balay, guys. We're inside the shade. Shade, guys. So look at that. So it's really big. Dako kaayo. It's like a house. So wow, that mga gamitin dito, no? So shade ng Australia, guys. So wow. Bahay na to sa yung mas maganda pa to sa bahay namin, guys, sa Pilipinas. So yan ang labas. That's the outside.
See if they can smell it. This is
Yeah.
like
That's why.
This is like ice cream.
Oh, it's coming because the food
See,
is
look at-
here.
Look at the way she's walking there.
Oh.
Really. Give it to the new mum so we can have a.
So that's the shade, guys. That's the outside of the shade. So wow, it's very nice. Oh, look at the mom. They're after with the food. Hello. So we're gonna feed this. Where we're gonna feed? Like it's very full, no?
Yeah.
It's too much.
I think it's that sore for.
It's for her. Sore.
Look at this.
So that's the mother. That's the mother, and
Look this.
they're coming too with the food. So what's the name of the food? That's I. What's the name of the food, then? Yay! Eating time. That's what's it called? That ano sa tawag na? What's the name of that? Oh, that's the baby.
See, mum's.
It's still on.
It's connecting. So look at guys. There's heaps of animals.
Right, mummy.
Oh, that's right. That's the baby.
But I think it'll straighten up.
Yeah, the legs is not that straight. Cause that's only 1 year, 1 day. Just born today.
Oh yeah, just
but
this morning.
oh, but they can stand.
They're doing well.
Oh, cause they just stand straight away, hey.
Sorry.
How many this morning?
Yeah, about 9 o'clock.
Wow. So unlike with the babies, cause like it takes months to walk nice, and they just walk straight away. So there's hips there. Wow. So that wire is live wire, right? Live wire. So that's why the kawatan. They need to be very careful. The kawatan. Oh, it's under with the mom. Oh, I'm still bleeding, no? beautiful. Good animal. So do you do milking? No, not here. Milking a cow, no.
Oh, you can.
In your farm, say something about your farm. Mag-ingat kayo sa live bar, guys. Then someone is waiting for us there. Look, what's that? What's the name? Hello. And I can't believe the shield. Shield is really, really big, guys. Parang bahay na sa mag-ingat ka sana ha sa wire. You're so close. Hello. How are you? It's coming us. They're following us, guys. So, one. We're waiting for. Hi. And that's the sheets, guys. Napakita ko sa kanina na ang daming laman, kompleto lahat. So, ano to? Thriller Thriller ni. Ito hakutanan og lagyan ng mga ano. There you go. Rosie.
It's gone too far into flower.
And there's one there, nearly there.
Oh, yeah.
So that's the way you harvest it. So this one, there's a flowers already, so you can pick this.
Probably. As long as it's soft.
Oh, it's soft.
It gets too woody otherwise. You know, down here it won't break.
Oh, it's still breaking, so still fresh from the garden. Guys, egg. Going back to the. So look at that, guys. So this is the house, guys. Wow, it's very nice. So let's go inside now. Kunin yung charger pa.